Welcome future IB parents and students. My name is Jordan Johns and I'm going to talk to you about the Group 4 component of the IB program, which are your sciences. So there are 3 different science course options for your students to take. But every 9th grader will be taking pre-IB biology, and then every 10th grader will be taking pre-IB chemistry. Now, part of the IB program is you are required to have 3 higher level courses, and then the rest of them are student level courses. At least one of these exams, either higher level or student level, must be a science course. Traditionally, students choose chemistry, biology, or physics for their 12th and 11th grade year. So, there are 2 different levels of your science courses. The first level is your standard level course. These are generally a 1-year-long course. They are the same rigor as your higher level courses, but it is not to the same depth of topics. Your higher level courses will all be 2 years long, and they just go over a few more extra or additional topics for that exam. We do have chemistry, physics, and biology. They all offer standard level courses, and our students have the option of choosing 1, 2, or all 3 of their science courses as extra electives and extra IB exam courses. So, with our IB program, we do have a lot of variety and choices within all of the groups. For our group 4, we do have biology, chemistry, and physics for your student to choose from. So, here is the general track for the science curriculum. If you are taking the biology track, you will take pre-IB biology your freshman year. Then, if you're taking higher level biology, you will start that into your 11th grade year, finishing it in your 12th grade year. Biology is the only course that has the option of a 1-year standard level. For both chemistry and physics, you will start that course your 10th grade year. With chemistry, it is the pre-IB chemistry course. Every student must take pre-IB biology and pre-IB chemistry. Then if you choose to take chemistry as your science course, you will take your first year of chemistry, your 11th grade year, and then your second, your 12th grade. For chemistry, your higher level and your standard level exams are both 2-year exams, or 2-year courses. For physics, what you'll do is in your 10th grade year, you'll be taking AP Physics 1. Then you will go on to your IB Physics senior level exam or course, and then you'll go on to your, for 2 years, or you'll go on to a standard level for 2 years. Physics is also a 2-year standard level course. If you would like to take AP Physics, you can also take that as an elective your 12th grade year. This is just another representation to show you the different passing tracks throughout the years. So your 9th grade year, what is required. Your 10th grade year, only your pre-IB chemistry is required. But if you'd like to take the traditional track or the physics track, this just shows you a visual representation of what you'll be taking each year. Now, because for science we do have a lot of lab opportunities. If you're in a standard level exam, you will have at least 40 hours of lab time. For a higher level exam, you will have at least 60. Some classes do have more. All of these topics that you will have your labs on will be related to what you are currently learning in class, and these will also, you also have to do something known as an internal assessment. Basically, your student will have to come up with an idea, create a whole experiment on their own, perform that experiment, and conclude with results. Sometimes with these internal assessments, we do work with our current local universities, and through these internal assessments, some students' work has actually even been published. We also have what's known as the Group 4 project, where we have one student from every science grouped together, and they get to work on a world problem and see how each field of science can affect or help this current situation. Okay? And then we also have plenty of extended essay opportunities within the science curriculums. As I said before, we do work with our local universities. Every year we do an annual science field trip, whether it's to the chemistry labs or to the biology labs. We do a lot of collaboration with EWF professors there. to allow the kids to have hands-on experience with machines that they may not be able to work with until well into their grad tools. And then there's also work to be published as a high school student, which would look great for any college transcripts. We also do a lot of community research. We work with the Institute for Human and Machine Cognition. Internships over the summer, we've had many students do really well and get published work doing internships. And then we also highly encourage all of our students to volunteer at the mess hall. This is great for class hours, especially whenever you find a field that you're passionate about. Getting younger students into it is great. And then our Science National Honor Society has a partnership with them. So it's really easy to get those community hours, connect with your community, and still celebrate science. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always email me at jjohns@ecsdfl.us. I look forward to seeing each and every one of you within the next few years.